Hey, Angie.
Hi.
Hi. Where are we at? At the Living Museum. Huh? What did we just see over here?
Coyotes.
What else? What else did we see?
A fox.
A fox. Yep.
Uh-huh.
What were they doing?
Sleeping.
Yeah. Yeah. You having fun? You got your finger in your mouth. Where's your finger out your mouth?
Let's see, a coyote and a black fox.
Yep.
No,
Look,
gray
you got
fox.
Micaiah. Micaiah. Did you see a fox? Did you like him? What was he doing?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay, you gotta hurry up and drink it because we're not supposed to add that out. Okay.
Why? Why?
It's the animal.
Oh, why? Why do they? Why do they like to drink?
No, Angie. Well, yeah, they do, but that's not why.
Why?
Micaiah, you having fun, girl? Oh, what else did we see? We saw a movie, huh? A cool movie that was on the ceiling. Huh?
Yes, and the shark just faked the dad.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was kind of scary, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Hi, Micaiah. You saw it too, huh? Here she goes, scared to walk. Micaiah, come on, girl. Come on. Come on.
Mommy,
Okay, we go.